Hi, I'm Professor Tom Horton. I've just finished my 5th year of teaching here at the University of South Dakota School of Law. Before I came to the University of South Dakota School of Law, I spent 28 years in practice as a antitrust lawyer and conflicts litigator. I was a partner in several major international law firms based in Washington, D.C., and I also spent about half of my time with the United States, with both the Antitrust Division and the Federal Trade Commission. I've been appointed as an Assistant Special Counsel to investigate organized crime, and I've been a law clerk to the United States District Judge for 2 years. So I've really had a variety of exciting practice experiences representing both the United States and large and small corporations throughout the United States and overseas as well. So I brought that background with me here, and for the last 5 years here I've taught trial advocacy and antitrust law, and I also work with our trial teams. We're very, very proud of our trial teams here at the University of South Dakota School of Law, and we offer enormous opportunities for our students. Amazingly, this past year we had 44% of our graduating 3Ls compete in at least one national trial tournament, which is a fairly amazing statistic. And we had 10 teams in 9 national tournaments, including some of the most exclusive and prestigious and most highly competitive tournaments in the United States. We find that our students work very, very hard, and they're able to compete against the best schools and often win their head-to-head matches, so that we've racked up a very good record in these national competitions. And the reason we're able to do that is our students are very committed, and they're willing to work very hard, and they're very enthusiastic, and we push them very hard. One of the things that you'll really like about our law school is that you have opportunities to do more than one extracurricular activity. When I was in law school, for example, I was on the law review, and that was it. You couldn't do trial team. But here you can do law review and trial team, or you can be on the moot court team and trial team, or you can be on the alternative dispute resolution board and trial team. And we have many members on our trial team who also do one of these other activities. For 4 of my 5 years here, we've had the editor-in-chief of the law review, for example, on our trial team. And so you have unbelievable opportunities here to go out and compete against the very best students from all across the United States, and to find out how you stack up against them in head-to-head competition. So we also have great mentoring opportunities here. Because we're one of the smallest law schools in the country, it's a big advantage for our students, because I know every one of my students personally and meet with them all the time. I know exactly what their strengths and weaknesses are. I know where they're struggling. I know where they can use extra work or extra help. And so we really stay on top of you. And you know, we don't have a cookie cutter program here. We really do tailorize your education in an individual way. And we work with you very closely to guide you towards your particular goals and best desired outcomes. So I look forward to seeing you here in the future coming years at the University of South Dakota School of Law. That go okay?
That is fantastic.